Dupong bersinar dalam jiwa raga.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys? Meet me again, Miss Thien in Happy Fun with English. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang procedure text. Ya, nanti tujuan pembelajaran hari ini adalah kalian mampu membuat sebuah procedure text lalu mempraktekkan apa yang ada dalam isi procedure text itu. Seperti apa sih? Ini ada contoh videonya. Simak ya. Ingredients are 120 grams of boiled chicken, diced it first, chicken stock, mixed vegetables, mushrooms, 2 tablespoons of milk dissolved with water, 3 tablespoons of flour also dissolved with water, oregano, pepper, chicken powder, onion, and also garlic. First, fry the garlic and also the onion. And then pour in the chicken stock. Let it boil. Put the chicken, the mixed vegetables, and also the mushroom into the soup. Mix it. Let it boiling again. It's boiling about 2 minutes. The ingredients will be cooked, and it is the time for us to give the chicken powder and then the pepper and also the oregano. Stir it again. After that, pour on the milk. Let it boiling again. And last, pour on the flour which have been dissolved with some water to make it thicker. Wait until it dissolved and also become thicker. Ta-da! The chicken soup is ready to serve. Nah, itu adalah sebuah video contoh dari procedure text. Kalian bikin temanya bisa apapun, yang penting sebuah procedure text, lalu kalian buat videonya ya supaya bisa terlihat bagaimana prakteknya. Okay, have a nice try. See you again, guys.